once again, most of the military onesies, twosies, and it took a long time to perfect the gluing on this particular product. We glue this together. No metal at all. Thousands of pounds. It weighs maybe a pound. Very lightweight device, polycarbonate. A lot of R&D went into this. We plan to use it and market this. Of course, you have to choose one product, and we chose the pods and collectors because we feel the industry really needs that. It's going towards that, and of course, it's one of our best products we can market. We have the technology. We know how to make it work. R&D's done. All we have to do is refine things like I was talking about and get it out the door or license it. We can even license the R&D to someone if they'd like to do R&D on it and do different things. With the product, there's all refinements that can be done. In our patents, we try and cover quite a bit of information, diversifying it so people can't copy it. Difficult to cover every aspect of that, but we're trying to do the best we can on that. Like I say, a couple patents regarding the muscles and different actuators. This right here is something that Navy Depot weighs about 2 pounds, a little heavier than normal. Quite interesting because we have an air chamber, liquid chamber. This liquid chamber is filled with, if you will, like electromagnetic. It's like an iron core filling. It's like a water that can be, let's say, stopped by an electromagnetic device. So what makes it so nice is you normally control different types of fluids by valves. This one is controlled by electromagnetic energy. Unbelievable. Just a fantastic application. Well, with the pods, collectors, muscles, now you're talking amputees, and now you're talking real muscles that can go into the human body that can actually operate and have power. You're also talking about lightweight robotics at work, in the home. Automation, we don't care because you don't necessarily because weight's not a problem. Weight to lift ratio is very important in automation, and especially amputees. If I make a muscle that's great and it works and it weighs 50 pounds, obviously it's way too heavy for the arm. We're talking about ounces, 16, 8 ounces for muscles that will lift a few hundred pounds with excellent control, 1/10,000th of an inch. That's what these can do, and also they're very durable. This is a very commercial actuator. Just a straight cylinder. It's been beat up quite a bit. Still works pretty well. Hit it with a sledgehammer. Took it out of a product that we made for the government, and we can still get it working. Works just fine. This is a polypropylene product. No rings. Works extremely fast. Has what we call little blow-by. It's pliable. You can feel it. Can be hit with a hammer and still keep working. Submerged into a lot of different types of chemicals and still work. Submerged in water. Very high pressure. Excellent applications for this particular device. Very nice product. So we have a number of things that we've done for NASA, all the way from simulators to muscles to robotics, the government, Department of Energy, Navy Depot, Indian Head. So we really run the gamut, also working with a number of universities. Once again, been on CNN News. I want to conclude with just to let you know that we have great ideas. We have a great product, a good proof of concept. We're getting a lot of initial people that want to license this, and we're trying to figure this out. We're in the midst of making several licensing deals as we speak. We also want to manufacture this. We want to be fair. We want to get the product out. We want to see it work in the industry. We want power to be portable, mobile. Once again, we want it to be safe. clean, works nice, works with mankind. This is our goal. Of course we want to make money. Of course we want to be in business. We have a great product, and we will do this. I want to thank you very much for taking your time. It's been a lengthy dissertation, if you will, on what we have, but I think it covered a lot of the, hopefully it covered a lot of the technical aspects. A little bit about internet providers, like anything else, have to run their signals over some sort of a carrier, RF or whatever it may be. I happen to be quite an expert in, like I was saying, in radar and different RF and things like that, so I know that area very well. Internet can be transmitted over this media, if you will, very efficiently. In fact, the bandwidth is probably 100 or 1,000 times bigger and better than anything we have. We have some people ready to build towers, and we have some units that we're bidding on to see if we can get this going, and talking to Con Edison, and basically they have a power grid problem in New York City. They don't have a big enough power grid. They want to take and offload that energy either through the ground, and probably through the ground, to homes. Well, they want our technology. That's great. We don't have a problem with that. We're willing to license that and get that out and do whatever it takes. What else? Well, I think that's about it. I want to thank you for, once again, taking your time. If you have any questions, you can reach me through my internet or email address, which is burchard at andronics-us.com. That's BIRCHARD at ANDRONICS-us.com. 972-785-9298. 469-964-4078. Let's see, does that cover most of the telephone numbers and things? Yes. If you'd like to come down for a demo, love to have you down. We don't have a very sophisticated shop. It's not real fancy. But you'll see what you're seeing here. I can show you a little more, maybe with collectors sitting on top of a toy, things rolling around. We don't have a problem with that, but you'll essentially see what you're seeing here. Of course, if we get some more funding, some more money coming in, we'll have bigger and better demos in that respect, but the concept will be the same. So, like I said, you're welcome to make an appointment. Let me know when you want to come down. Talk to us. We're actively seeking money. We want money from investors to get it to another level, to another stage. Licensing will do the trick, or if somebody wants to actively invest in a company and license it and get a break with the licensing front and a royalty, we're willing to talk those terms. What are the terms? Well, normally terms for royalties 5 to 6%. We'll drop that down to 3, maybe to 4, 3 to 4%. And if you want to take and give us some money up front, we can roll a part of that back into royalties and help in that aspect. So I think we're fairly flexible in that regards. We're open for all types of investments. We have a great product. This is what is going to happen in the future. It has to. Natural progression.